Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Welcome to such a good session of in our video. Today the session is logarithms, nothing but logs. Yes, we have a lag of confidence, then we are become a good person in the society. Like that, what is the use of logarithms as well as in board exam, in competitive exam? Friends, I should ask one question. Logarithms are introduced on purpose is there. Now pause the video, you say the purpose, you comment me. 5 seconds. Yes, you are right. Very good. Yes, logarithm tells that the exponent, what is the requirement of, what is the need of to make a certain number. Simple. For example, 2 power 4, 16, 2 to the power of 5, 32, 3 power of 5, 243, 10 power of 3, 1000. These are exponential notations, right? That is the reason logarithm tells that exponential to needed to make a certain number. Simply we can say that the inverse of logarithms are inverse of exponent. For example, you see on the board, I have to take such an example, then you can understand what is the use of, what is the introduction purpose of logarithm in our mathematics. Now who invented geometry? Yes, absolutely you are correct, Sir George Cantor. Who invented logarithm? Napier logarithm, John Napier. Now my dear friends, you have to observe 3 power of 1, simple we can say that 3 into 1, 3. 3 power of 2, we can say that 3 into 3. Because the what is the power will be there, we can multiply such a base is that many times. So 3 into 3, 9. 3 power of 3, 3 into 3 into 3, nothing but 27. Here depends on power, and so on. 3 to the power of n will be there. 3 multiplied with n times based on power. Friends, you should understand 2 to the power of, for example, I should ask 10. You are pause the video and say the answer. 2 to the power of 10. Yes, I am waiting for your answer. Right, you are right. 2 to the power of 10 is 1024. Right? But 2 to the power of 20, 3 power of 50. What is the answer? In such cases, the logarithms will give the answer. That is the purpose of logarithms that scientists will introduce in that mathematics. That topic which we are going to discuss today. Dear friends, I want to tell you, logarithms are, it is not a different. It is a logarithms and exponents are very pretty relationship between that. Inverse of exponent is nothing but logarithms. Logarithms, we can write logarithms, we can write shortcut form logs. Logarithm. For suppose, dear friends, or we can write like this also, ln, logarithms also. 2 to the power of 5 equals to 32. 2 to the power of 5, we can say like that. 2 raised to the 5, we can say that both are same meaning, same synonyms. 2 to the power of 5, 32. This number can be expressed as a in log form. In what way we have to express? Simple. We should apply right side value. What is the right side natural number? 32. We can apply log that side, log 32. Then what is the base? 2. You can take the base here also. Now is equals, what is the power? The power will become to like this. So 2 to the power of 5 equals to 32, nothing but in terms of logarithm, log 32 to the base 2 equals to 5. Both are same terms only. But we have to theoretically, we have to explain the definition of logarithm. Simple. Here a comma x belongs to any real number. Any is any natural number. It can be in the form of exponent form. A to the power of x is equals to n can be written as log n to the base a is equals to x. Then it is called, we can read as log n to the base a is equals to x. Log n to the base a is equals to x. Right? Now here n is called, what is a, what is x? Simple. N is called argument. N is called argument. A is called base. Here only base, here also base. Base will be same. Now this is called exponent or power or indices also. We can say that. Friends, here condition, very important note point I want to say to you. Here argument, this value must be greater than to 0. Must be greater than to 0 because log 0 not defined. If you take 0, log 0 will come. It cannot be defined, undetermined term. That is the reason this argument, this value must be greater than 0. Second condition, base is also must be greater than 0 and not equals to 1. Not equals to 1. These are the two conditions we have to apply in logarithms. Dear friends, who invented logarithms? Pause the video, say the answer in comment section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, very nice. Your answer is correct. Napier, John Napier. Yes, logarithms are having two types of base are there. Log 5 to the base 10. Log 5 to the base e. Base 10 will be there. These logarithms are called common logarithms. When the base e will be there, the logarithms are called Napier logarithms. When the logarithms are having base 10 is called common logarithm. When the logarithms are having common base is e, then it is called Napier logarithms. This is the main information about logarithms. What is the main use of logarithm? Highest exponent term cannot be found easy manner. In such cases, we have to apply the logarithm. In which cases we have to use the logarithm? Simple, to find the measure the earthquakes, decibel measurements, and pH values of in chemistry acidities. Right? In cases we have to apply the logarithms. Right, my dear friends? And this is the formulas you know very well. In exponent and indices chapter from 7th class onwards, we are learning about these. We learnt about this all the formulas. Clear? A power of m into a to the power of m equals a to the power of m plus n. Like this, all the formulas we learnt. Same formulas we should apply in logarithms. That simple, we should add the word log xy to the base a. We can write log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. When into will be there, you can expand it, add with plus. Now x by y, quotient x by y, we can write subtract. Log x by y is nothing but log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. Log a to the power of m to the base b, n will comes to before as a quotient, coefficient, n into log a to the base b. Now log a to the base a, argument and base is same, then we should get the answer 1. Now log 1 equals to 0. I said very clear, log 1 to the base anything will be there, then 1 equals to log 1 to the base 100 also 0 only. Log x to the power of p to the base y to the power of q, nothing but p comes to before, back, q comes to back as a coefficient, p by q, log x to the base y. These are the formulas. Exponent form, tell me exponent form of log a by log a to the base b equals to x. Yes, simple. Yes, b will come, b raised to the x, b raised to the x, that means b to the power of x is equals to, what is the value here? A. Simple, answer completed. Now log 16 to b raised to the x, b to the power of x is equals to a. Okay na? Now log 16 to the base 2 is equals to question mark. What is the value to fit for that? Pause your video, just tell the answer in 5 seconds. Right, to here you can take it as x. For example, anything is not there, you can take x to the power of x is equals to 16. Right, take it here, 2 power 1 2 only, 2 power 2 4 only, 2 power of 3 8 only, 2 to the power of 4 16. Your answer x equals to 16. Your answer is correct, friends. Now my question is log 1, you tell log 1 0. How? Take it easy. Yes, here x, a raised to the x, a to the power of x equals 1. A to the power of x, what value you have to put it here, you will get 1 by using exponent condition 0. Yes, a to the power of 0 equals to 1. So x will be 0. This is your answer. A to the power of any number, any power 0 will be 1 only, na? So x equals to 0. Then x equals to 0, you have to take it. Your answer will be get 1. Now log b to the base b, how it will be? Simple. One answer, how it will be? Taking it to x, b raised to the x, b power of x is equals to b. Now if I want to get b, both are same. Now what is the possibility here? X equals 0 or 1? Yes, 1 only. Right, good. B to the power of 1. B to the power of b, 1 means b only. So then we are getting b equals to b. Now x value is what, amma? 1. X value is what, amma? 0. Right? Now this is the value, tell me. Simple, we can guess it. Yeah. Clue, tell me. Yes, you are right. N only. Answer is N only. How it will be? Let us see. n comes to before as a coefficient, log b to the base b. Log b to the base b value always 1. So n into 1, nothing but n. Your answer will be n. Dear friends, simple, we can by heart the answers. Log 1 0, log a to the base a equals to 1. You don't by heart it. Logical reasons also you must know it. Nowadays the competitive field will be different. You have to learn something way to the depth. Then you will become a perfect. Now, dear friends, these are all the things, introduction of logarithms. I am very happy to explain today. I hope that you have to understand this video for you. If you understand, please give the likes, comment and share to your friends. Till then, practice well. Thank you very much.